Think you need a finance degree to start investing? Nope. All you need is a simple plan and $500. Here's how to begin, step by step. Before you invest a single dime, you need to cover your basics. The first step is all about building a solid financial foundation. Start by tackling any high-interest debt you might have, like credit card balances. Once that's under control, your next mission is to create an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible savings account. This safety net is crucial because it protects your investments from being cashed out early if an unexpected expense pops up. This isn't the exciting part, but it's the most important. With your foundation secure, it's time to choose the right platform. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options out there. Your goal is to pick a beginner-friendly brokerage or investing app that makes the process feel simple and accessible. Look for key features like no-fee trades, which save you money on every transaction, and fractional shares, allowing you to buy a small piece of an expensive stock. Also, prioritize platforms with auto-invest options to make saving effortless. Great examples to explore are WealthSync, Robinhood, or Fidelity. Find one that feels right for you. Now for the fun part, let's put that $500 to work. Take that money and split it smart to balance safety and growth. First, put 60% or $300 into a broad market index fund. An ETF that tracks the S&P 500 is a perfect example, giving you a piece of the 500 largest companies in the US. Next, allocate 30% or $150 into a growth ETF or a specific sector you truly believe in, like technology or clean energy. Finally, if you want some excitement and are comfortable with the risk, you can put the last 10% or $50 into crypto or other high-risk plays. This strategy ensures you're diversified while still building for long-term growth. The final and most powerful step is to automate your contributions and stay consistent. Successful investing isn't about trying to time the market perfectly, it's about time in the market. Set up automatic contributions to your investment account, even if it's just $50 a month. This discipline of consistently investing over time, known as dollar cost averaging, is what truly builds wealth. Remember, consistency will always beat chasing the latest hot stocks or trying to predict market swings. You don't need a finance degree, just discipline, a plan, and patience. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Join WealthSync for smarter investing tips.